Welcome back, office executives. In this particular video we will be discussing the function EOMONTH, and the different parameters we can send the value to EOMONTH. So equal to EOMONTH, so this is the date, comma, and if we simply give 0, so this is April, so the last date of April month would be 34/26. If you click on calendar, you can easily see that it's 34/26. What if that same value, so what we'll be doing is that we'll be fixing this A2 with function key F4, and we'll be dragging and changing the parameter from here. Instead of 0 we'll be using 1. So 1 means the next month, end date of the next month, so it's 31. And for -1, the value would be, let me just give it a -1. So this gives the date. So if we want to find out the starting, that is 19/4/26, if you want to find the starting date of that particular month, so what we need to do, that of that particular month we need to add +1. Fine. So now these two values are can be formatted. So this is of a given date, we can find the end of that month and the first date of that month, and we can easily let me insert here a new column, and we'll be using this value. So here I will be pressing Ctrl R, also here I will be pressing Ctrl R, and we can format it. So we'll be converting, we'll be just putting this value inside text, and we want to find out the weekday. So to find out the weekday, we can use DDDD, braces close, enter. In a similar way we can use here also, we can just wrap it inside text function and comma within quotation DDDD. Fine. Braces close, enter. So for April month started on Thursday, and April month would end on Wednesday. So if you click on this calendar, yeah, it started on Wednesday, and it would end on Thursday. So yeah, it started on Wednesday and it would end on Thursday. So the value which is coming is proper. So this particular video is of our EOMONTH function in Excel, and in which way we can use it, that is to find the weekday. That is the discussion all about. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.